So here we're told that this window repair specialist charges $220 for the first 2 hours. And then there's an hourly fee. So we're also told that for a 5-hour repair, the total cost is $400. So we need to identify the function f that gives us the cost for an x-hour repair. So easiest way to do this problem is to use that data point and plug it into the answer choices. You'll see A, if x is 5, it does work out, 400, so that's a possibility. Plug in all of those, 60 times 5 plus 220, that's going to be 520. That one is out. C gives me 400, so that's a possibility. And then D is not going to work because that's 620. So it's really between A and C. And then we can check for 2 hours when x is 2. This would give me 120 plus 100, 220, whereas this will give me 160. So the answer is A. So this is kind of the quick hack. Now there is a concept here that comes up in a lot of other questions where maybe the presentation won't be the same, but there's something you need to know, which is how to set these up. So if it's an x-hour repair, you have the first 2 hours, and then the remaining would be x minus 2 hours. So if the hourly fee is h, then the cost here would be $220. That would be the first 2 hours, plus h times x minus 2. That's the function. And now I need to figure out h for this condition that I'm given, that it's 400 for a 5-hour job. So that would be 220 plus remaining 3 hours times the hourly rate. And that would give you h, which is 60. So the resulting function is this. Clearly this is more work, and that's kind of why I showed you that method. But you do need to kind of be able to do these questions in that form, because there are question types where this may not be an option. And you'll see that it does simplify to 60x plus 100, which is indeed choice A.